Hey everyone, Thomas coming to you from MGM Classic Cars on this beautiful day here in Addison, Illinois. And today I have this 1971 Chevrolet Chevelle that's been redone from the ground up. As you can see, previous owner stuffed a 572 ZZ Chevrolet engine in here, making well over 700 horsepower on aluminum heads. Beautiful setup with headers, upgraded ignition system, braided hoses, aluminum heads, high-rise intake, 4 BBL carb, and aluminum radiator. Did a nice clean job on the firewall, painted the inner fenders, painted the whole core support. Really, really sharp with power steering and disc brakes. Beautiful pearl, dark orange paint job. Check out my photos. I took some photos with the sun hitting the car, and it's got a different look to it. As you can see, it's got the upgraded Boss wheels, slotted front disc brakes. They are power, and also the wheel woods in the back as well. So it's a 4-wheel disc brake car. Beautiful body lines throughout the car, guys. Sheet metal is nice and straight on the car. Great shine to it. Chrome looks excellent. It does have dual exhaust with a really, really big Ford 9-inch rear end underneath, and a big sway bar with adjustable coilovers on the rear, and a cooling fan for the tranny. Clean trunk as well. You can check out those photos, but the paint does shine really, really nice. They upgraded the weather stripping with the rubber setup to give it a kind of a stealth look, modern look. Beautiful interior, bucket seats, adjustable, carbon fiber dash, autometer gauges, beautiful brand new dash, bucket seats, seat belts with rear seat, nice clean package tray, headliner as well. The inner and outer door jambs are nice and crisp throughout the car. It does have a turbo 400 trans, posi 411 gear ratio in the back. Let's take a look. Look at these door jambs. Clean, crisp, both sides, guys. Nice Hearst shifter. You know what? Let me fire this thing up real quick. 572. So, since this car's been built, 1,035 miles has been added to the car. This car came from Texas. It's got tilt wheel as well. Let's go for a little drive down the street here. Again, turbo 400. So you could put the car in drive and just go and cruise, or you can just put it down in first, which is all the way down. To shift to second, just push it up one time, okay? And then third, obviously, forward, okay? Really, really cool. Sounds good, right? Doesn't that sound really nice? 60 pounds of oil pressure in the 572 crate motor. These things have been dynoed, over 700 horse. Water temp is nice and manageable even in this 95-degree weather. I don't think it goes past 180, to be honest with you. Now, to put this car in reverse, you have to push down on the reverse lever and then pop the car, pull the trigger, the lever, and then put it back, put it forward so it can go in reverse. You'll get used to it. All right. Woo. I didn't even shift out of the gear. Didn't need to. I'm on the street here, guys. Oh, this thing's a beast. I love it. I'm gonna go for a little bit more cruise. smokes, the tires, man. It's cruising 40 miles an hour. Oh, you gotta love the horsepower in these things. Guys, gals, thank you for watching MGM Classic Cars. If you guys need financing, go to my website, click the finance link and fill out the application. If you need a delivery quote, you can call me, text me, 847-848-1850. You guys, thank you again for watching MGM Classic Cars.